Hi guys, welcome to a YouTube video. Today we're checking out the new update with Gizmoid VR, aka Drake. That sound effect. The moaning sound effect was actually perfect.
Yeah. Anyway, so Paint Brawl is back.
Oh.
It also
Wait.
says for a limited time hunters.
Are they guns?
So I think
Is there guns in Pickle? I'm just joking,
there's
I've played it
those.
before.
There's those.
Alright, so what map will we check out
It's
first?
still blocked off.
Damn it!
It's still blocked
When
off.
does the Lego map block out? Oh, this looks kind of cool. Whoa.
Yeah,
Whoa!
So there's a whole new city.
Whoa.
Those cosmetics and stuff. Yeah, the entrance.
I'm a dinosaur.
What the hell?
Also,
It's a bit late.
we have Lil Peep.
Lil Peep. I'm gonna get Lil Peep.
Oh. Is there some type of ninja? Just cracking my neck.
Nah, bro. See it.
Oh, damn.
Where'd Doug go?
Where did Doug go? Where did Doug go?
I think I killed Doug.
I like my outfit on my quest too. Ah! 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 Yep. Yeah.
Bruh.
I've just killed
We're doing a
you.
trick. Bruh, there's a trick to get it out of the thing. Spectre. There's a thing to get it out, like the star blade to get it out.
Yeah.
So you press try on. Shimmy on. Drake. Hello. There's like a little black spot here.
Alright. This is kind of cool. Also, what? I don't need to.
They even had shelves. They even added shelves to put a monkey on the shelf.
What even is Monkey on the Shelf? I have heard of all
I
of
do
these
not know.
games. I have heard of all of these games, like Ghost in the Graveyard, other stuff like that. And then Monkey on the Shelf. I've heard of Monkey on the Shelf. I know what Monkey's Got Talent is. So I want to try that someday.
Yeah, everyone knows what monkey.
Oof! Sweet
Yeah.
shiny rocks. Mmm. Sweet shiny rocks. Ah. Are you serious? Oh, it's £23.99.
Okay, Pookie.
Goofy Goober.
I should get this chair.
Alright, that's it for City, I guess. Arcade. I expected the arcade to be up there. I thought it was, but no, it's there. I don't know why people say that it's the second floor. I thought they meant second floor like that, but no, they meant that.
Oh no, second floor looks like back rooms.
Anyways, I'm Spider-Man.
Yeah, do you want to get rock?
Yeah, I know how to get rock.
Rocky friend.
Rocky friend. I am Spider-Man, by the way.
Did you
That-
chuck your rock?
Wait, what?
I'm taking my Rocky friend with me.
For real.
Anyway, I'll be waiting in arcades.
I'll come with you. Wait for me. Wait for me a little, bro. Anyways, bye, Rocky friend. Go back to your home. Oh, wait. Rocky friend is still with me. for some reason. Found the new queso, boys. We found the new.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a sec. Have we found the ninja monkeys? No Ninja Turtle, but ninja monkeys. This is really cool. Like all of the art. Rocky friend is still with me.
Me and my rock's gonna beat this level.
Me and my Rocky friend are going to do this mission. Whoa. Uh-oh, you're not supposed to touch Doug, I've heard.
What? You're not supposed to touch Doug?
Yeah, you're not
No,
supposed
I'm
to
not gonna
touch
do
Doug.
that. I just hit all once. Yay! Again!
Hooray! Me and my Rocky friend, you deserve a pet. Let's go!
To be honest, I thought Duck was like an extra special too.
Bye-bye!
I got to red level last time.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hooray! Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Hooray!
There's not really much in this map,
2,
is there? It's not
1.
like that.
Honestly, I like this map.
Yeah, it's nice and chill, isn't it? But
Yeah.
the only like, exciting thing is that.
Punch!
I mean,
Punch,
it's
punch.
pretty live rocket
Punch! Bye-bye!
chilling.
Punch! Bye-bye! Punch! Bye-bye! Oh, punch! Bye-bye! Yep, punch! Bye-bye!
I may go for a pee.
Fool.
For a pee.
Since when was Withered Bonnie talking? Oh, boom, boom. Boom, boom. I think the purple monkey means two. This combo isn't working out. The pink and the dog. My ear itches. What? Anything working? Hello? 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 What the hell? Did my game bug out? What the? Did? Hello? Oh, come on. Yo, wake up. Yo, wake up, bro. First of all, the game crashed, man. You need to wake up. I've seen some unspeakable things on this chat. Anyways, let me just call this buddy again. Hello? Did your game crash? Oh. Yep. Yeah, Linda. Yeah, Eddie. Yeah, I've got my Rocky friend. Well, anyways, oh, you've joined back. Let's go off the call. I'm sleeping down here.
Anyway, should we go to mountains?
Yeah, sure, let's go to mines.
What?
Alright, can I at least play out VR? But I can't up there because I'm going to end up hitting my hand. What? Alright.